So, you're looking to pick up some Milwaukee tools, but you're unsure about the differences between the M12 and M18 systems? Or maybe you're trying to decide whether to go with a fuel model, brushless, or even a non-fuel version. We get it. It can be confusing, but don't worry. We're here to clear things up. Milwaukee is known for its quality and durability. But with all the different options like M12 versus M18, fuel versus non-fuel, brushless motors, and more, it can be tough to know which combo kit is right for you. Today, we'll break everything down so you can make an informed decision that fits your needs. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which Milwaukee system will work best for you. Let's dive in. Let's start by talking about the two main platforms, M12 and M18. M12 is Milwaukee's 12-volt system, and M18 is their 18-volt system. The main difference here is power. The M18 tools give you more power, but they're also heavier, larger, and more expensive. On the other hand, the M12 tools are lighter, more compact, and typically more affordable. The size difference alone makes a big impact, especially when working in tight spaces or overhead for extended periods. If you're a homeowner or a DIYer, the M12 system is often more than enough. The tools are smaller, lighter, and great for those jobs where you don't need tons of power. But if you're working on heavy-duty projects, like construction or anything where you need more muscle, you'll likely want the M18 system. The M18 batteries are bigger and offer more capacity, which means longer run times, but also more weight to carry around. And since the batteries are separate, you can't use an M12 battery on an M18 tool and vice versa. They're not interchangeable, which is something to keep in mind if you're thinking about expanding your collection later. For those of us who do most of our work in the garage or around the house, the M12 is a great choice. It's lighter, easier to handle, and still powerful enough for most tasks. If you're going to be driving screws into 2x4S or putting together furniture, the M12 system will handle that with ease. But if you're working on something like framing a deck or running hundreds of screws, that extra power from the M18 system will save you time and effort. Now let's get into the fuel drills, and before that, a quick note about what fuel means. Anytime you see fuel on a Milwaukee tool, it means you're getting their top-tier product. Fuel tools have brushless motors, which are more efficient, last longer, and provide more power compared to traditional brushed motors. You'll find fuel options in both the M12 and M18 systems, so you can choose the right balance between power and portability. Let's start with the M12 fuel drill. This drill is perfect for lighter work. It's compact, lightweight, and still packs a decent punch. With 300 inch-pounds of torque, it's more than enough for most household tasks. Whether you're drilling into wood, plastic, or even some metals, the M12 fuel drill can handle it. And because it's small and light, it's comfortable to use for longer periods, especially if you're working overhead or in tight spots. Now, if you're looking for something with more power, let's move on to the M18 fuel hammer drill. This beast delivers 1,200 inch-pounds of torque, which is nearly 3 times what the M12 gives you. The hammer drill feature adds another layer of capability, allowing you to drill into concrete, stone, and brick. So, if you're planning on doing some serious masonry work, this is the tool for you. The trade-off, of course, is size and weight. The M18 hammer drill is bulkier and heavier than the M12, which can be tiring if you're using it for long periods. But that extra power can be a lifesaver when you need it. So, who should get the M12 fuel drill? It's great for DIYers, electricians, or anyone working in tight spaces where weight and size matter. But if you're on a job site every day or need to tackle heavy-duty projects, the M18 fuel hammer drill is the way to go. Alright, let's move on to the impact drivers and combo kits. This is where you'll really start to see the differences between the M12 and M18 systems, especially when it comes to power and versatility. First up, the M12 Fuel Impact Driver Combo Kit. The impact driver in this kit delivers 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, which is pretty impressive for a 12-volt tool. It's compact, lightweight, and great for working in tight spaces. The Tri-LED lights are also a nice touch, making it easier to see what you're doing in dimly lit areas. Now, the M18 Fuel Impact Driver takes things up a notch with 1,600 inch-pounds of torque. It's a lot more powerful, which means it can handle bigger screws, bolts, and fasteners with ease. If you're doing heavy-duty work, like building a deck or working on a car, that extra power will come in handy. The M18 impact driver is still fairly compact for the power it packs, but it's definitely heavier and larger than the M12 version. And there's a set that serves as a great middle ground within the M18 system, the M18 Compact Brushless set. It offers more power than the M12, but doesn't require the full power of the M18 fuel. This set combines the performance of an M18 tool with the efficiency of a brushless motor, without being as heavy or bulky as the fuel version. In terms of size and weight, the M12 impact driver is definitely the winner when it comes to ease of use. If you're working on smaller projects or just need something portable, the M12 is perfect. The M18 impact driver, while more powerful, is heavier and bulkier, so it's better suited for more demanding tasks. When comparing the kits, the M12 is great for homeowners and light users, while the M18 systems are better for contractors or those who need more power regularly. One of the things that makes Milwaukee stand out is the range of tools available in both the M12 and M18 systems. For the M12 system, Milwaukee offers over 150 different tools. This includes everything from drills and impact drivers to lighting, plumbing tools, and even heated jackets. If you're working in the trades or are a DIYer who likes to tackle various types of jobs, you'll find plenty of options in the M12 lineup. The M18 system has an even larger selection, with over 250 tools available. This range includes not only standard tools like drills and saws, but also more specialized equipment like grinders, miter saws, and outdoor power tools. If you're looking to expand your collection or invest in a system that will grow with you, the M18 platform offers a wider range of options. As you'd expect, the M12 system is generally more affordable than the M18. The M12 fuel combo kit usually runs around $229, which is a fantastic value for the performance you're getting in a compact package. On the other hand, the M18 Compact Brushless Kit is slightly more at $239, just a bit more for a lot more power. If you want the M18 Fuel Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, you're looking at around $389 without one key and $534 with one key. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. When it comes to choosing between Milwaukee's M12 and M18 systems, the decision depends on your specific needs. Both systems are well designed, reliable, and capable of handling a variety of tasks, but they cater to different types of users and jobs. The M12 system is a fantastic option for homeowners, hobbyists, and light DIYers. It's lighter, more compact, and still offers enough power for the majority of home projects. The M12 line fits the bill when you're working on tasks that don't require heavy-duty power, but still want a tool that performs exceptionally well. The portability of these tools is a huge advantage. Comfortable to use, easy to carry around, and won't wear you out after a day of working with them. Now, if you're working on more demanding projects or need something with more power, the M18 system is hands down the better choice. The M18 have more power, and the increased torque is noticeable when you're dealing with larger screws, thicker materials, or higher resistance tasks. Sure, they're heavier and bulkier, but that's a small price to pay for the amount of power they deliver. One thing we've found is that while the M12 is perfect for 90% of what you might encounter in a regular home, the M18 really shines when you need that extra kick. Another thing to consider is the range of tools available for each system. With the M18 offering over 250 tools, it's ideal if you're planning to expand your collection over time. The M12 system, with over 150 tools that covers many smaller but highly useful tools, which is no slouch either. However, the M18 range opens up more possibilities if you want a wider selection of high-demand tools. In the end, both the M12 and M18 systems offer excellent performance. Your choice should depend on the type of work you plan to tackle. M12 for portability and convenience, M18 for more power and versatility. That's it for our Milwaukee M12 versus M18 breakdown. We hope this gave you the insight you needed to pick the right tool for the job. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.